Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Moen kitchen garbage disposal that turns on but doesn't spin. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who basically have the Moen garbage disposal, and if it turns on but doesn't spin, this is the issue that happened with me, which I was able to resolve. So what you're going to need to do first is that with safety, you want to make sure that you unplug your kitchen garbage disposal. So it should be underneath your sink. Just go ahead and unplug it. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to get two tools. So first is a flashlight, and then second is a sturdy metal tool. Now you can use forks, spoons, and knives, but for me, mine were like bending, so I needed something sturdier. This is like a carpenter's tool that you see right over here, and it really doesn't bend. Now after you have your tools, you want to pull the black rubber piece out of your sink. And then if we look in the kitchen garbage disposal, you'll see that there are certain prongs or areas where you could actually stick that metal piece. Sorry, there you go. So right there, that lower dark spot, that's actually a tiny hole where this piece here could actually stick in there. And then what you'll do next is that you're actually gonna spin or try to unjam your Moen kitchen garbage disposal. And so with that, you can see the hole right over there. It just, this metal piece or metal tool that I have right here just happened to fit my Moen kitchen garbage disposal. And so you want to spin it until it does a complete 360. So after you're able to unjam it with a tool like this, you might need to use two metal tools. I've seen people online have to use two metal tools. It should work now, okay? So in my case, I'm not sure what jammed my Moen kitchen garbage disposal, but once I kind of gave it a turn back and forth, it eventually turned 360 and then unjammed itself. So once you're done with that, just go ahead and replug your Moen kitchen garbage disposal back in. And then behind your Moen kitchen garbage disposal, there's gonna be a red button that you could actually press. That might have been shut off, so go ahead and press it and make sure that's turned on. And then your Moen kitchen garbage disposal should work. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Moen kitchen garbage disposal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.